Hi, and welcome to One Monroe. Today we're taking a closer look at adjustable handles and how they're used across a wide range of industries. Adjustable handles, also known as clamping levers, are used wherever secure fastening and frequent adjustment are required. From industrial machinery to medical and photography equipment, they provide quick, reliable positioning and control. Reinforced with steel or stainless steel inserts, these handles provide the strength and durability needed for reliable operation. When the handle is turned, internal teeth engage a threaded insert to tighten or loosen the fastener. Lifting the handle disengages the teeth, allowing repositioning. Releasing the handle lets the spring-loaded mechanism re-engage the teeth. This ratcheting mechanism enables precise adjustments in tight spaces, making adjustable handles ideal for countless applications. With a wide selection of adjustable handles available, One Monroe has a solution for virtually any manufacturing application.